Hello viewers, ajilagan latest nagamis khobor ekta tuita inega ani di ase. First khobor tu inega ase ki International Peace and Social Advancement IPSA bra Manipur laga crisis to upcoming 57th session of United Nations Human Rights Council UNHRC ke September moina ke rest kurubo koi kena koi ase. Sunday din de media khan ge IPSA Manipur Working President Khuramjam Athoba bra 56th session of UNHRC June 23rd to July 10 dak Geneva de thaka homoy Manipur laga crisis chanai dia thagise. Aro dai bra India central government bra 71 years majode into Myanmar border fencing bonawole napara edu issue bi koise. Athoba bra kwado Manipur de violence olado religious conflicts nimide nohoy majority khan bra minority khan ke harass kura bra nohoy aro communities alak alak majode ola violence nohoy holebi etu violence ola do narco terrorism nimide aro immigration nimide ase kuigena koise inika Manipur state violence chai thaka ke central government bra eku kam nokura etu laga session thaka time de Athoba bra kwa janai di ase. Second khopor du inega ase ki mokhan laga sob monde media du hole fake news na dibo lage media khan du kini dia media nohobo lage aro media khan bias nohobo lage ki hosa ase aro ki misa ase thik kobo lage koigena mohan bra phapi holebi chai ja din de India de media system du kinega cholai kena aise godi media kwado hosana misa thakise. Aji laga khobore dikha hisabte ekdam phal khobor do the editor guilds of India bra press laga freedom or right to information obore fight kurule central opposition leader Rahul Gandhi laga madat manga dikhi paise. The editors guilds of India bra Rahul ke dia letter de chai ja din de media khan ke control kurule legislative measures loa opore Itiado media khan ge freedom and independence of press pawole debate aro consultations parliament de thakibole the editor guilds of India bra Rahul ke likha letter de inaka thakise. Idia viewers khan brabi India de aro Mohan Nagaland state de media system do kinega ase aro kinega thakila phal hobo idu laga opore comments kuri dibole request kurabi chanai di ase. Third and last news to inaka asiki present US President Joe Biden bra November 2024 moina de lobole laga US President election de na jabole announce kurise. Biden bra kwado tai laga re-election nimide campaign do na jai thakibo koise aro tai laga replace de Vice President Kamala Harris hi Democratic Party bra nomination do file kurubo koise. Tai laga presidency term do January 2025 moina dak thakibula ase etu nishna hi tai laga term hi khotam kuri digena aro re-election nimide contest nohobo koigena present US President Joe Biden bra announce kura announce sob ke chanai di ase. Aji laga nagamis latest khobor iman sis kuri ase. Thank you everyone for watching my video.